Have you always wanted to redo your bathroom? Do you love mediocre contact paper work and uneven mirrors?
Do you love women doing math?
Oh, do we have a show for you?
You look beautiful.
Actually.
Yeah, perfect.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ritty and this is RityDIY, and for those of you who do not know me, I do DIY craft stuff, vlogging, and some thrift stuff. Today we're here with my best friend Stefany, and we're doing a bathroom makeover in her apartment, and we already did it and it's super cute. We got most of our things from Lowe's, however we did get some of the things from Amazon, and there are links below in the description so that you can purchase the things that we used or things that are similar. Yeah. Do I have I good?
No.
Oh no, I'm like I'm good? Okay,
yeah.
You're good, okay. Stephanie, how did we meet?
I had to transfer schools and we met in 8th grade, but we didn't get like friends until our senior year of high school, and then we came to Texas State together, and we're here
and we're
now.
still here, and that's all that matters.
If we look insane and we're acting dumb,
it's 3:30 in the morning.
We were supposed to get together in the morning because we know how we are. We chose 2 o'clock. Got together at 3.
I got here at 2.
Okay.
It was a big deal.
I was buying plants.
Yes, she was.
We got together at 3. It's now 3:30 in the morning.
It is.
12 hours later, and we just finished everything. That tells you everything you need to know about us and our friendship.
And how truly beautiful we are, because look how good we look.
We look this
like
good at 3:30.
Hours and hours in. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, definitely hit subscribe and definitely hit that notification bell. It's somewhere over there. Also, if you love Stefany as much as I do, although you can't because I love her the most, definitely follow her on Instagram, which is
at Era Extraña.
So our first step is going to be cleaning the surfaces of both the counter and the mirror, just to make sure that everything's going to stick properly. Next, measure and cut out pieces of contact paper for the backsplash as well as the main counter. And start with that backsplash, it'll make it easier in the long run. Feel free to leave comments below if you guys would like a more detailed video about contact paper, maybe with tips and tricks, things like that, because it can get bubbly and stuff if you're not careful. And then I went ahead and cut off any edges with an X-Acto knife just to make sure it looked crisp. I'm not going to lie, cutting it out to be a circle for the sink was really challenging, but basically what we did is we brought it all the way up to the point where the sink started dipping, and then we made slits in the edges so that we could have room, and then I ended up using an X-Acto knife to fully cut around the circle. After we had our large pieces on, we went ahead and went in with small pieces just to fill in any gaps. So for the mirror, we went ahead and painted 4 pieces of white molding that we got from Lowe's. We started by trying to use silicone to adhere it to the mirror so that it would actually stay, but it takes a really long time to dry and was really difficult because the mirror was on the wall already. So instead we used Velcro command hooks to temporarily adhere them to the mirror, which is way better for renting anyways, and I highly suggest doing that.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and our bloopers that are about to follow as much as we did. And if you liked the video, definitely give it that thumbs up. And of course, subscribe if you want to see more of me and possibly more of Stefany in the future.
I just want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Charity for helping me redo my bathroom and making it look so
cute.
good. That was the last step I needed in my room. I love it so much, so thank you.
Dare just give them that eye contact they don't always get throughout the day.
Is that interesting? We didn't even say where we go to school or in college. You randomly said I have a bachelor's.
Is that the right hands?
We're not gonna do that.
Or is it? No, it's for sure this. This is right. Go Bobcats, Texas State. I'm back. Kind of. I just had a weird fart.
Go edit that part out.
That was not important, but it's like, I don't even want to.
Did you just shit a little? You threw up a little.
It's just it's exploding.
Bitch, I'm gonna be crying.
Oh, I knew it was gonna be like this.
What if I'm normal the whole time, and then I start talking and it's just lipstick everywhere we don't know.
All of it.
And then you're looking at me like, cut. I need a water.
Okay. You don't need it right now.
I should probably get it.
I'm so sweaty.
Why are you still sweaty, bro? And today we have my best friend here, Stefany, and we did a bathroom makeover.
Like, this is what Stefany does, and I adopted it. So I'm just like feeling the music. And I'm like,
that's all I do. I just
Stefany.
dance with my hands.
I'm Stefany today, yeah. Today we're
Nobody believes I'm your best friend. I'm behind.
I met you at the mall, and I was like, I like your look.
I like your look.
Oh, I can't breathe. Shit.
You really got what I'm searching for. I think I can grow my eyes with you.
So to learn a little bit about what is that accent. So to learn a little bit about Stefany and us, I will, and me and I, and so to learn a little bit about Stefany, I'm going to ask her questions about us.
So to learn about Stefany, I'm going to ask her a question about us.
I'm going to just ask questions so that you can learn our history. Hashtag like, hashtag comment, hashtag subscribe.
Not if she does that. You
No.
should do bloopers at the end, like where it cuts like to that little like.
I already did it in my head. time, so.
No, I was gonna say where it cuts to like the little screen, like where it's all those different colors, and then it goes to like the random bullshit you're gonna find.
No, yeah, that's
That'll be
exactly what
funny.
I'll do. Trust me. It's gonna be like a 30-minute video, and the DIY is gonna be 2 minutes long.
And it's all blocked.
And it's just all us. Yeah.
It's just your back, and then all of a sudden
It's 5 minutes of our backs.
Bro, you're gonna
And
go.
it's us.
You're gonna go the intro before your back,
after.
and then all of a
And
sudden
then
it's done decorated, and that's how you contact paper your restroom.